Ano kung may loan ka pa kay GSIS, tapos retiring employee ka o retiring member ka this year or next year? Interesting topic po ito, right? Good question na dapat bigyan ng good answer. Alright? Are you ready, friends, to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. First question, what is CLASP? Answer, it is a loan restructuring facility offered to retiring GSIS members with outstanding loan obligation who opted to avail of the immediate monthly pension benefit. It means choice of loan amortization schedule for pensioners. Simply said, friends, ang CLASP is an acronym. So, ang ibig sabihin ay choice of loan amortization schedule for pensioners. Ito pala yung loan restructuring, no? Offered by GSIS members na retirable. So kung may outstanding loan balance sila or outstanding loan payments, and then mag-avail agad ng immediate monthly pension benefit, ito po yung option po nila. Para po malaki po yung ma-receive na cash payment. Remember, meron tayong cash payment or retirement benefit, no, na 18 months sa basic monthly pension natin. So, normally, kung may loan tayo, i-deduct po yan outright. So, as a result, konti na lang po yung ma-receive natin if may loan tayo or may outstanding loan tayo sa GSIS. So, para naman meron tayong makuha or net amount na malaki, ito po yung option na binigay ng GSIS. So, we will explain that later sa next slide natin. Moving forward to our second question. Who are eligible to apply for CLASP? Answer, retiring GSIS members with outstanding loan obligations who are availing of immediate pension benefit. Opo, sila po yung maka-avail nito, yung mga retiring GSIS members. So, no worries po. Malaki po yung makuha natin, no? If mag-avail tayo ng CLASP. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong pabaon from GSIS even though may outstanding loan obligation tayo. Right? Third question. What are the options under CLASP? Answer. Number one, the options to settle their loan balances in whole, 100%, or in part, 75%, 50%, or 25% through a restructured loan payable in equal installments for a maximum period of 3 years. Availment of CLASP is in the application of retirement. Simply said, friends, ang option natin, no, if mag-avail tayo nito, number one, 100% na hindi tayo magpa-deduct sa ating ma-receive from GSIS. So, i-restructured po yan na payable in a maximum period of 3 years in an equal monthly installment sa pension po natin. So, meron tayong example later. Another option is 75%. Meaning, kung magkano yung outstanding loan balance natin, 75% of that, yan lang po ang pwede sa CLASP na ipa-deduct natin for maximum of 3 years. So yung 25% outright po i-deduct sa retirement benefit po natin or cash payment. Another option, 50%. Ibig sabihin, 50% po outright ang i-deduct sa retirement benefit natin. Yung 50% balance is under clasp or installment payment po within the maximum of 3 years. Or another option is 25%. Ibig sabihin, 75% ng outstanding loan natin is i-deduct sa retirement benefits or cash payment. And ang 25% po ang ipasok po natin sa CLASP. So maximum of 3 years na payment sa ating pensyon. So ang availment po nito is dapat po nasa application natin when we retire sa GSIS. So to be clear, let's have an example. So may figure tayo. Ito po. For example, Mr. A has outstanding GSIS loan balance of 300,000 and he wants to avail of CLASP in his retirement. His options are the following. Number one, yung 100% po, no? Payable in 3 years. So simply, i-divide na po natin yan, no? 300K divided by 36 months. Bakit 36 months? Kasi sa 3 years, meron tayong 36 months. Right? So, ang result po is 8,333 monthly. So, yan po ang i-deduct sa ating monthly pension for 3 years. So, again, wala tayong deduction sa ating retirement benefit or cash payment. Kasi po, nag-avail tayo ng CLASP 100%, right? So, i-deduct po yan sa monthly pension natin. Second option, if 75% lang po ang ipasok natin sa CLASP for 3 years, so 300,000 times 75%, ang result po niyan is 225,000. So, yan na po ang ipasok natin sa CLASP. I-divide by 36 months, which is 3 years. Result, 6,250 per month. Yan po ang deduction natin sa ating monthly pension for 3 years. If 75% ang option po natin. So, ang 25% i-deduct outright sa retirement benefit ng GSIS member. So, very clear. Third option, 50% ng 300,000 payable for 3 years. So, 150K po yan or 150,000 divided by 36 months. So, magkano yung monthly deduction natin sa pension? That is 4,166. Alright? So, another option, 25% for 3 years. Ibig sabihin, 75% i-deduct outright sa retirement benefit po natin or cash payment. Yung 25% is sa CLASP for 3 years. So, magkano po yung 25% ng 300,000? 75K or 75,000 divided by 36 months, that is 2,083 monthly deduction sa ating monthly pension. Right? So, napakagandang offer ito ng GSIS. 2 thumbs up to GSIS. Good offer. And good luck to our GSIS members na retiree. Enjoy your retirement benefit and save. I-save po nyo yan. I-invest and enjoy your monthly pension. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.